Every single day, roughly 2,000 workers in the U.S. suffer eye injuries on the job, and most of them are completely preventable. Today, we're talking about eye protection, what those little markings on your glasses actually mean, why they matter, and how the right pair of safety glasses can literally save your sight. Let's start with the basics. The ANSI Z81.1 standard is the benchmark for workplace eye protection. It sets the rules for how safety glasses and face shields are designed, tested, and used. While ANSI itself is not a regulatory agency and cannot enforce these rules, OSHA has adopted this standard, making compliance mandatory in every workplace. If your eye protection is marked Z87, it meets minimum safety requirements. If it says Z87+, that's even better. That means it's impact rated and built to handle high speed or high mass hazards. Eye hazards are everywhere, especially in jobs involving machinery and moving parts, welding and cutting, chemical handling, and grinding or assembly work. The risks associated with these hazards include flying debris, liquid splashes, dust and fine particles, and harmful light exposure. It only takes a split second for something to go wrong. Not all safety glasses are created the same. Non-impact rated protection is for basic hazards, but it won't hold up against serious force. Impact rated protection, marked with the plus sign, has been tested against high-speed projectiles, heavy impacts, and side protection requirements. If you're grinding, cutting, or working around moving equipment, impact rated protection isn't optional, it's required. Here's where people get it wrong. You can't just grab whatever glasses are closest or most convenient. Different tasks require different protection. Like safety glasses are for general impact hazards, goggles are for dust, debris, or chemical splashes, and face shields are for full face protection, but are always paired with safety glasses underneath. A big thing to remember, ANSI standards do not cover everything. Hazards like lasers, radiation, or blood-borne pathogens may require specialized protection. Even the best PPE fails if you do not take care of it. Before every use, check for cracks, scratches, or distortion. Ensure lenses are clear and not worn down. And if it's been hit, replace it immediately. Scratched lenses do not just reduce visibility, they increase the risk of injuries. And if you happen to be sharing equipment, be sure to clean and disinfect it, no exceptions. Employers are responsible for training their workers on proper use, fit and adjustment, inspection and maintenance, and the limitations of the equipment. However, workers have a responsibility too. If your gear is damaged or missing, you have to speak up. Using the wrong protection is almost as bad as not using any at all. Ever wonder what these glasses go through before you wear them? ANSI testing ensures top quality glasses, and they include high impact drop tests, optical clarity checks, resistance to corrosion and fogging, and splash and dust protection testing. That Z87+ mark isn't just a label, it's proof that the equipment can handle real-world hazards. Eye injuries can happen in the blink of an eye, and the consequences last forever. Having the right protection prevents serious injuries, keeps you working, and protects one of your most valuable assets, your vision. You get one set of eyes, so make sure what you're wearing is built to protect them. Check the label, wear the right gear, and do not cut corners. Because when it comes to eye safety, there is no second chance. I'm Destry with JJ Safety. Thanks for watching.